In this Python tutorial, we will learn how to use the enumerate function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. In short, by using the enumerate function, we can learn the values and indexes of the members in a list at the same time. Let's make an example to learn how to use the enumerate function. I created a list. We can print the members of the list to the screen with their index number. For example, I print the member at index 0 of the list to the console. Let's print the first index member of the list to the console. Now let's learn how we can print all members to the console using a for loop. Thanks to this for loop, I printed all members of the list to the console. In some applications, we may need the value of the index and member. To do this, we define an index variable. We add the variable to the print command in the loop. Then we increase the index value by 1. In this way, we can obtain the value and index number in the list. But there is an easier method. We can do this using the enumerate function. I am editing the for loop. I define two objects as index and value. I send the list to the enumerate function. I add index and value variables to the print command. In this way, I can see the index and member values at the same time. In this Python tutorial, we learned how to use the enumerate function. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.